artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool. It's the most powerful weapon of the 21st century, a force shaping economies, governments, and even truth itself. While the US, China, and Europe compete for technological dominance, a new form of global power is emerging: AI sovereignty. Because whoever controls artificial intelligence doesn't just control data, they control influence, information, and the future. Stay until the end, because we'll reveal why the race for AI supremacy has already begun, and why only a few will survive it. The world is in the middle of a new Cold War, but this time it's not about missiles or oil. It's about algorithms, data, and control. Artificial intelligence has become the key to economic, military, and political dominance in the 21st century. The United States leads through innovation. Private companies like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and xAI are pushing the boundaries faster than governments can regulate them. Backed by tech giants like Microsoft and Tesla, America is creating an ecosystem where AI powers everything from finance to defense. China, on the other hand, follows a different strategy: centralized, strategic, and state-controlled. Beijing is pouring billions into AI development, building its own supercomputers, and linking artificial intelligence to one of the most sophisticated surveillance systems on Earth. In China, AI isn't just a tool. It's a method of maintaining power, control, and social stability. And then there's Europe, ambitious, but often slowed down by regulation and bureaucracy. While Brussels debates ethics and privacy, others are already building the next generation of AI models. This new race is the modern version of the nuclear arms race, only this time the explosion won't destroy cities. It might rewrite the rules of society itself. Whoever controls AI controls what people see, hear, and believe. Whoever owns the algorithms owns the truth. The real question is, will AI remain a tool of humanity, or become a weapon of the powerful? Artificial intelligence is no longer a research field, it's a battlefield. The world's most advanced models are developed by a handful of tech giants: OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, xAI, Baidu, and Alibaba. Each has a different vision: innovation, profit, or control. OpenAI began with the mission to develop AI for the benefit of humanity. But today it's deeply tied to Microsoft, one of the most powerful corporations in the world. Google DeepMind quietly works on models that go far beyond language, systems capable of reasoning, learning, and even strategic decision-making. And Elon Musk's xAI promises to build a truth-seeking AI, in a world where truth itself has become subjective. In China, state-backed companies like Baidu and Alibaba are racing to catch up or surpass the West. Their models are integrated directly into government systems: facial recognition, citizen scoring, and data monitoring. In this sense, AI becomes not just a tool for innovation, but for political control. Even in democratic nations, AI is being weaponized. Governments use algorithms for surveillance, election targeting, and automated decision-making. Artificial intelligence has quietly become the most powerful instrument of influence ever created. But that power now rests in the hands of a few, and fewer people truly understand how these systems work. Transparency is no longer just an ethical debate, it's a question of global security. Europe recognized early that AI needs regulation, but enforcing it is proving difficult. The EU AI Act is the first comprehensive law designed to govern artificial intelligence. Its goal: protect human rights, privacy, and transparency. But here's the problem. While Europe is regulating, others are accelerating. The fear is growing that Europe will fall behind in the global race for innovation. In the US, AI is a market. In China, it's a weapon. In Europe, it's a debate. The continent's focus on ethics might slow progress, but it could also become its greatest strength. In a world flooded with deep fakes, manipulation, and digital propaganda, trust could be Europe's biggest advantage. Perhaps Europe's AI won't be the fastest, but it might be the one people trust the most. The global AI race isn't just about who has the best technology, it's about which values will define the future. Data is the lifeblood of artificial intelligence. Without it, no algorithm can learn, no model can evolve. That's why the global struggle for data dominance is now one of the biggest power games on the planet. Every message, photo, and online search generates data, the raw material of the AI age. Tech giants collect it, governments analyze it, and startups trade it. Whoever controls the data controls the intelligence. In the United States, data belongs to corporations. In China, it belongs to the state. And in Europe, it's supposed to belong to the citizens, but in practice, it often belongs to no one. This distinction determines what kind of AI each region creates. AI built on open, diverse data can innovate and evolve. AI built on censored data becomes a system of control. If data is the new currency, then servers are the new banks, and algorithms are the bankers deciding who holds the power. The real battle of the AI era isn't fought in code. It's fought over what we feed that code. The global race for artificial intelligence is already underway, and it's accelerating fast. The question is no longer if AI will change our world, but who will control it when it does. By 2035, AI systems could manage economies, shape political decisions, and even run parts of society autonomously. Some analysts believe we're heading toward a new geopolitical order, one where computing power replaces oil and algorithms replace armies. But between domination and cooperation, there's still hope. Open-source models, global research alliances, and ethical development could balance the scales of power. If humanity can share knowledge instead of hoarding it, AI could become a tool for progress, not oppression. But that requires courage. The courage to share control, the courage to act responsibly, and the courage to understand that the next great power isn't nuclear, it's digital. Artificial intelligence will reshape our world. But one question remains. Will it stay under our control, or will we become controlled by it?